disinformation spread easily. Verify before you amplify, please. Let the digital space reflect the value that bind us together as a people, honestly, compassionate, disciplined, and patriotism. Patriotism is not about slogans and political theater. It is about what we contribute to the common good. Every gap and every app you design, every story you tell, every brand you build is a statement to the world about who we are and what we stand for as a nation. What is possible for this country? You are that possibility. You are not waiting to be invited into the future. You are building the future. Let your leadership be defined by integrity. Let your digital footprint reflect the best of our nation. Let your actions speak of a generation that did not wait for permission to lead. Step forward with your courage and with clarity.